friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a dish which is very delicious, very tasty, often found on street side, and that is dabeli. Yes guys, this is very tasty and we always tend to have this dish. So I am making dabeli. You check down the ingredients and the recipe. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate. To make spices for dabeli, first start to heat up a pan or a kadhai. To the heated pan, I'll add all the dry spices, the whole dry spices, and I'll roast it. So herein goes 6 to 7 cloves, 6 to 7 red chilies, and 2 cinnamon stick, big pieces of cinnamon stick. Then goes in 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and on a low heat just dry roast it. And then I am going to grind it in the dry grinder. Once the spices are done, you start to get the aroma of it. Switch off the flame and let it cool down before grinding. Now you can see here the mixture is well grinded, the spices are ready. Now I am going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. And then I am going to mix it again. Now here the dabeli masala is completely ready. Now I'll start preparing the spicy peanuts. Now for spicy peanuts, start to heat up the pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. And now I'm going to add, this is half bowl of roasted peanuts split into half. And just add all to it and mix it with the oil. It is already roasted, so no need to roast it for a long time. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Also it depends how spicy you want it. Add less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This will make the red color of the chili powder more brighter. And mix it well. Now add salt to taste or even chaat masala if you prefer. And then again mix it well. This spicy singdana or spicy peanuts you can also enjoy with finely chopped onion and just put some lemon juice and finely chopped coriander, and it will really taste good. So now the spicy peanuts are also done. After this I'll start preparing the stuffing of dabeli. Now for the dabeli stuffing, start to heat up the kadhai. I am taking the same kadhai. Add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to it. And once the oil gets heated up, just add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and ginger paste and roast till the raw aroma diminishes. Add 1 small onion finely chopped and let it turn golden brown in color. Then add 1 big tomatoes finely chopped and cook till it turns a paste-like consistency. To this add 1 heaped tablespoon of dabeli masala and mix this well. Add 1 bowl of mashed potatoes, boiled potatoes. This is 1 big bowl of potatoes which I am adding. So approx you can take 7 to 8 medium sized potatoes, boil it, peel it and mash it. Now mix this well, and if required you can add some more masala to this. So I am going to add another half tablespoon of dabeli masala. Now mix this well again. Add salt to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 heaped tablespoon of sugar. And now mix this well. Add a cup of water. As you must have seen that the stuffing of dabeli is always a bit mushier, it's not hard. So just add a cup of water and again mix it. Now once the stuffing is ready, I'll shift this in a plate. I'm going to just shift all the stuffing into a plate. And now just spread it. Make the layer as smooth as you can. Now once this is done, garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves. Then garnish with some freshly grated coconut. Sprinkle some pomegranate seeds. Sprinkle some chopped grapes. Again, if you want, you can also add some small pieces of pineapple. So fruits are up to you, just the whole point is sweet and tangy flavored fruits are added. So now here the stuffing is ready, it is garnished, it is decorated. Now I'll start preparing the dabeli. Now to make the dabeli, take the soft rolls and just open from one end and make a pocket like, so that you can fill in the stuffing into it. So add the chutneys on both the sides, depending on how sweet and how spicy you want it. So this should be just like pockets so that you can stuff in the ingredients, the stuffings. Then take small amount of stuffing and just fill into the pocket. Add some finely chopped onions. Add some spicy peanuts into it. And then again pack it up with the stuffing. Also fill in some barik sev. In this way I'll prepare all the stuffing. So this is one more bun I have taken. Add the stuffing into it. Add some finely chopped onions, some peanuts. Then pack it up again with the stuffing. Put some barik sev. So in this way I'll prepare all the dabeli. Add some peanuts and then again pack it up with the stuffing. Put some barik sev. So once the dabeli is done, I'll start roasting it in butter. Now start to heat up a tawa and put some butter onto it. Once the butter is melted, just slide the dabelis, the stuffed dabelis into it and roast from both the sides till nice golden in color. So just with a pair of tongs, slide it, turn it. So here you can see the dabeli is ready. You can serve with little bit of sprinkled peanuts. I hope you must have liked this video. See you in the next episode with one more delicious recipes on delicacies on the plate. Till then, bye bye.